Alright guys, so here's the deal. We just picked up a 2011 Mark 6 GTI. We're going to use this as a shop car. The main purpose of this car is going to be pretty much performance related. We're going to use it for develop some new files and tunes for you guys for your Axis ports. We're going to use it to go to the drag strip and do some local roll racing events. We are going to wait to do any performance stuff to this thing until we can get on the dyno and get a baseline. Our dyno should be here within the next week or so. After that, we'll start doing, your typical bolt-ons, intake, exhaust, intercooler, downpipe, stuff like that, and do a full documentation of, what does what and what kind of gains you can expect from the simple stuff. The everyday type person type stuff. Then we are going to tune down the Cobb and see what we can get out of it. 91, E30, maybe some E40. After that, then we'll start stepping into other stuff. We want to take it to a couple events as a bolt-on tune car. And then eventually we plan on getting into KO4 territory, and then after that start gutting the car, do some sort of big turbo build on it, just kind of see where things progress from there. So keep an eye out on this build. It won't be overnight, but we will be posting as much as we can. We already got some extra parts laying around, so we are going to put a set of H&R springs on it. We have an extra set of wheels, just so it doesn't look like a stock car. We're going to get some graphics on it to help represent the shop. Alright guys, stay tuned.